Optima endeavour to minimise their impact on the environment in everything they do. Just one way they are addressing their impact is through the creation of a conservation zone right here on the grounds of their manufacturing facility. Optima values biodiversity, and this is highlighted by this half-acre region which has been created for the protection and restoration of the natural environment and surrounding wildlife. Home to a variety of species, large and small, their aspiration is to grow this area into a thriving, healthy ecosystem that will sit comfortably alongside their modern manufacturing facility. I notice you have a tree beginning in a pot. Are we going to plant it?
Yep, that's the plan. So we planted a tree. This will now be left to its own devices. It will grow, and part of the growing process it's going to absorb carbon, which is of course part of our plan, but most of all it's going to enhance the biodiversity and ecosystem of this area.